What's going on, guys? It's Young Equity Chris.
And it's your boy Young Equity Devin. Let's get it.
All right, man. It looks like the GME and AMC hype has come back. And I'm just going to make it pretty simple for you guys. At this point, if you're putting money in GameStop and AMC, I can't really say that's true investing at this point. Because there's something going on with these stocks. It seems like it'll have the hype, it'll ride up, and then it'll come back down. Ride up, and come back down. So, here at Young Equity, we have a simple outlook on this one. We're viewing this pretty much as a gamble, right? You will say?
Yeah, I definitely agree with that.
So, I think, personally, I'm going to put a little bit of money into GameStop when it hits about $40 a share.
Yeah, $40 is awesome. Right before they actually had that spike and it went all the way up to 100 and then you saw the 178, $40 is where it was trading at. And it was kind of trading sideways for a couple weeks after the first craze. And I just advise anybody, if you can get it around $40, it's a sure bet at this point because it's a game. It's becoming a game. People love the diamond hands. There are people that are probably still holding at $300 a share. Right?
I know people that are.
Okay, and they're looking at their paper losses like, man, I know this thing is going to 1,000. So they're still in the game. Wall Street Bets is just increasing over time. It started at 2.2 million whenever I was checking it, and now it's sitting around 9 million members. It probably has 10. I haven't looked at it in a week.
Oh, wow.
Right. So it's a game, and a lot of people will try to deter you from investing in GameStop because it is a gamble at this point. Yes. And they'll probably throw some Palantir, or they'll probably start throwing some silver, or other plays. But if you want to get involved with GameStop, get in at the $40 price, and then also ride that bad boy up to 2x, and that's it. Don't try to get involved in holding the bag at 100 and then after hours it goes all the way up to 180 and you don't know how to trade after hours. Just make your quick money, get in at 40 and get out. Stop being greedy. And
do not buy these stocks on Robinhood.
Man, I was looking at something the other day. I know this is off topic, but they were saying that the SEC was actually looking into regulating purchasing GameStop and AMC and some others. And I read an article.
That's crazy.
It was on the Stock Watch and the Apple app that they have. Yeah. And so, I knew that was going to happen. We've talked about it before, where they're probably going to start regulating these bets. But you can't stop the retail traders from trading, man. So get in at 40, get out at 80. That's my advice.
Yeah, and when I buy it, I'm buying it in my Fidelity account at 40 a share, or
right.
AMC at 6 a share. I like AMC, so I'm more leaning towards that. So AMC at $6 a share, I'm gonna get in there and hold, and on that one, my exit point will be $9 a share because I don't even want to get caught in the foolishness.
Yeah, I definitely agree. We actually announced that we were gonna buy AMC, so we kind of put y'all on the AMC play before it took off, like right before it took off.
Yep.
So what we did, I had AMC at $3 and then I had AMC at $4, and then all of a sudden I threw the bag at it and I had it at 12, right? That bad boy went all the way up to 19, and I'm sitting on a substantial gain at that point. My investment went up 50 to 60%, and then it started going down because of what was happening with everybody doing the regulations and stopping everybody from trading. So I don't want you guys to get involved in that and you don't have your stop loss, or you don't have your measures in place. So I like it at $6. If you want to gamble, like Chris mentioned before, I like it at $6, and I like to get out at $8, man. That's my price. If you think $9 is good, you want to be a little bit more on the green side, that's cool too. Yeah, that's cool too. But I'm getting out at $8 because I definitely have PTSD from that situation.
Understandably so, man. Understandably so. Because at the end of the day, man, you have to look at it for what it is. That's gambling. That is an investment. What I would recommend you do, if you're especially a new investor, again, find the products that you wear, that you use, research those companies and the stock performance, and buy that, and look to buy and hold. Because if you can buy something and it doubles in 4 or 5 years, that's a win.
Yeah.
These stocks doubling in a week or two, that's not realistic. Mm-hmm. And you're starting to see the investors that were chasing that. It's almost like they were chasing clout. It's like they wanted to be able to post a screenshot of them 2xing. And that's all the only reason they were investing. I want to invest so my money can make money while I sleep.
No, I definitely agree with that, man. I just think now we have to switch our mentality back to that long-term investment. But I do like the fact that retail investors are getting together. I mean, I'm not gonna, shun that movement. I think it's dope, but understand what it is. It's a gamble, and don't take away from diversifying your portfolio so you can hedge against the gambles that you have in your account.
Yeah, man. I mean, because at this point, what I could recommend is, with the way everything's going, is yeah, you can invest in GME and AMC for some quick money, but also, you know what? I got a homework assignment for you guys.
Okay.
I want you guys to figure out or research semiconductor companies and post it down in the comments below, a semiconductor company that you like, that you want to invest in. I have one that I'm invested in that I've been talking about on this channel, but I'm gonna let you guys do your research and tell me which ones that you found and whether they're a good play or not. And if we find one that's a good place that you guys posted below, we'll do a video about it, talking about it.
No, that's a good idea. I definitely think we should talk about triple leverage probably in the next week. They have a semiconductor triple leverage ETF, and we'll go into more detail about what that is eventually. But that outperforms the market as well, and that's sitting at a low price, probably around, I think it's like 550, and it's SOXL. But anyway, we'll talk about that later.
Yes, sir, man. But that's all we pretty much have on the topic of GME and GameStop. It's a gamble. Know what you're getting into. Do not join the fight right now.
Get in, get out. That's all I have to say. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy.
All right. Thank you guys for checking it out. Again, I'm not a financial advisor.
And I'm not an expert.
Thank you for checking out this video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.